Hello, good morning. This is problem B on page 321 in our textbook, and it asks us to identify any two force members in the problem and then draw the free body diagrams of each member of the frame. So it gives us this weird setup with two pins and a distributed load. So before we can draw our free body diagram of the entire frame, we need to calculate that distributed load. And since it's a triangle, we'll just be doing 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 the base, which is 3 meters, times the height being 400 Newton meters, should give us about 600 Newton meters, which we can use to draw our second free body diagram over here. So since we have two pins, we'll have an AX and AY, and we'll have a CX and a CY. And that 600 Newton meter force will be acting 2 meters from point A, since it's a triangle. And now that we have this set up, we can kind of see and distinguish our two force members. Since member AB is clearly not a two force member because it's got forces acting at both pins, which is a requirement for two force members, but it also has a 600 Newton force acting just on the member itself. So it doesn't meet our requirements for a two force member. But when we take a look at CB, we only have forces acting at each pins. So CB would be a two force member that we have in this one. And then this is just an additional free body diagram of AX showing all those forces where they're acting, and CB as a two force member. And yeah, it's pretty simple.